Tired of cluttering your code with import pdb pd set trace everywhere? Python has a cleaner solution. The breakpoint function, introduced in Python 3.7, is a built-in that drops you directly into an interactive debugging session. Just call breakpoint anywhere in your code, and execution pauses right there, giving you a PDB prompt to inspect variables, step through code, and diagnose issues on the fly. Under the hood, breakpoint calls pdb.set trace by default. But here's the magic. It doesn't hardcode PDB. Instead, it invokes sys.breakpoint hook, which can be customized to use any debugger you prefer, from IPDB to WebPDB. You can control breakpoint behavior with the Python breakpoint environment variable. Set it to 0 to disable all breakpoints in production, or point it to a custom debugger like ipdb.setTrace. This lets you configure debugging globally without touching your code. The practical win? No more import statements to add and remove. No risk of accidentally committing debug code. Just drop a breakpoint call in, debug your issue, and leave it there or remove it cleanly. It's Python's modern, batteries-included approach to debugging. So remember, breakpoint is your one-stop debugging command in Python 3.7 and beyond. Practice using it, and you'll debug faster and cleaner. Keep coding. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.